If Fall Guys is showing a missing files error in Epic Games, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to repair the game files so you can get back into the game without reinstalling everything from scratch. This is a simple step-by-step fix, and it works especially well when the launcher thinks some game files are damaged, incomplete, or missing after an update. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once the launcher is open, go to your library. This is where all of your installed games are listed, including Fall Guys. Take a moment to find Fall Guys in the list. If you have a lot of games installed, you may need to scroll a little bit until you see it. Once you find Fall Guys, look for the three dots next to the game. Click on those three dots to open the game options menu. In this menu, you'll see different actions you can take for the game, but the one you want here is Verify. Click Verify to start checking the game files. When you click Verify, Epic Games Launcher will begin scanning your Fall Guys installation. It will look for missing files, corrupted files, or anything that doesn't match the original version of the game. If it finds a problem, it will automatically repair or re-download the files that are needed. Depending on your internet speed and how many files need to be fixed, this can take a few minutes, so let it run until it finishes. While the verification process is happening, it's best not to close the launcher or interrupt the repair. Just let Epic Games do its thing and wait for it to complete. Once the repair is finished, you should see a message confirming that the files are repaired or verified successfully. That means the launcher has checked your game and replaced whatever was missing. After that, the next step is very important. Restart the Epic Games launcher completely. Close it fully, make sure it's not still running in the background, and then open it again. Restarting the launcher helps it refresh the game status and recognize the repaired files properly. Now go back to Fall Guys and launch the game again. In many cases, the missing files error should now be gone, and the game should open normally. If the game still gives you trouble, you can repeat the verify process one more time just to make sure everything has been repaired correctly. This fix is usually the fastest and safest first step because it keeps your game installed while repairing only the broken parts. That means you save time, avoid unnecessary downloads, and get back into Fall Guys much faster. If this video helped you fix the missing files issue in Epic Games, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any future gaming tutorials. I'll keep making quick, easy guides to help you solve common game errors and launcher problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.